It did start off like any other game. The ball was kicked, I caught the ball, and I took maybe 4 steps, my right foot planted. And I looked at my leg, and on the inside I saw a dent in it.
I heard the hit, and he didn't pop up, and Cam always pops up.
Saw him get hit and his leg bow out a little bit.
It was obvious that his leg was broken.
There were parents hugging me. There were grown men standing at the fence crying, telling us that they loved us, they were praying for us, and all the boys were, you know, patting their chests to me and saying, "We love you, Miss Becky. He's going to be fine, Miss Becky."
You know, I raised my arm up and I could hear everybody start, you know, cheering a little bit louder and stuff.
He broke the tibia and the fibula on his lower legs. His bone was broken in a couple of places, and we want to line it up and stabilize it. And how we do that is we put a rod inside the bone, and it kind of aligns the bone, and then we put screws above and below the fracture to help it stabilize.
That night, he just wanted to hold my hand. I mean, the drugs made him do it, but I took it. I took what I could get. And he said, "Mama, this was the best day ever, wasn't it?" And I got such perspective from that, because in spite of the terrible situation that we were in, we were loved, and we knew we were loved. We had the best staff around us at the hospital. We had the best coaches, we had the best trainer, and we had the best surgeon.
I've had a lot of doubts, you know, thinking, you know, am I going to be back out there 110%?
There have been days that he's come in here and he's been in pain, it's not been a good day, he can't do the things he wants to do or do them as well as he had before.
I've learned actually how to work harder, how to push myself.
We've set many goals for him to reach, and he has done outstanding in reaching those goals.
He has done amazing. His ability to do the rehab and to follow protocols and to strengthen and be so engaged with his recovery.
Dr. Rose personally calling me to check on him. He's constantly texting and communicating, wanting to know how our boy is doing.
Without Dr. Rose, I honestly do not know where I'd be right now. I'm so thankful for the man. I'm definitely looking forward to the season. It's time to work, you know. I got one more year of football, and we're gonna get back at it. It's been a crazy ride, but you know, looking back at everything that has happened, you know, I wouldn't go back and change nothing. I think it's made me a better person.